The next command is the top command. The top command is used to monitor the Linux system processes, and the top provides dynamic real-time view of the running tasks on your system. Let us see top, T-O-P, top. The output has two portions. Number one, this is the summary pane, and this is the processes which are running right now, and even the processes which are sleeping, they will be shown over here. Here you can see the summary. For example, start with uptime. It means 34 minutes have passed since my system was booted. There are 5 users and the average load of this system is this one. This is how many tasks are currently running, how many are sleeping, how many stopped, and how many zombie processes are there. Here you can see the utilization, overall utilization of the CPU, and here you can see the statistics about the memory, and this is the statistics about swap space. In this area, the first one column is showing the process ID, the next one is showing the user on behalf of whom the process is running, and this is the priority of the process, and the last column shows you the command which is running now. This is nice value, we already have discussed, and this is virtual memory, resident memory, shared memory, and CPU and percentage of the time. So this was the output of the simplest form of the top command. There are, yes, this command is running continuously. To stop this command, you will have to press the Q key on keyboard. There are many command line options for the top command. For example, with the main command, you can display this help menu with the command main top, and you can quit it with the key Q. So here you can see there are number of command line options with a beautiful explanation on the right side. Let us start the options. The option number 1, A minus A, it means the output will be sorted by the memory usage. Top minus A. So the tasks are, processes are organized, sorted with respect to their memory usage. The second thing is, by default it is running continuously and producing the results with every second, but you can change the behavior by pressing the, by giving the minus D option. Top minus D, and how many seconds in delay you want. Let us say 2 seconds. Now our report will be updated after 2 seconds. You can see, you can feel it. Fine. To quit this one, minus Q. If you do not want to run the top command continuously, you can change the behavior by providing the number of repetitions. The switch is top minus N, number of iterations followed by number of iteration, for example 5. It will quit automatically. Finish. After the 5 iterations, the command terminated automatically. You can combine the multiple options on the same line. For example, top minus A minus N 3. Now this command means run the top command and produce 3 results only. perform only 3 repetitions and sort the result with respect to the memory usage. Here you can see the number of user. One is for root, another for Imtiaz, and some other things. Okay. Now let us produce a report for specific user. Example, top minus u. For example, I say Imtiaz. Now the tasks processes for Imtiaz will be displayed. And if you want to change the behavior, once again you can combine the option as well. For example, now I want to say display the tasks of user root, but the number of iterations should be only 3, and the command should run for 3 seconds. Finish. So what was the command? The command was top minus u root minus n, only 3 repetitions with the delay of 3 seconds. Fine. If you want to highlight the running processes in the top command, you can do it. Press Z key on your keyboard. Watch for some time. All the commands, all the processes which are running right now, they are shown, and anything that is not running, that is sleeping right now, it will be shown in a different way. You can quit it again. Next command is htop. Just like top, htop will also produce the statistical results for the processes running on the Linux system. Let us begin. How does it look like? Htop. One more important thing, htop is not available by default on your system. You will have to add number 1 Epl repository, and then you will be able to install. How to enable the Epl repository? It can be done yum -y install epl release. Fine. Press enter and it will add the Epl repository. I already have added this one. I already have installed this one, therefore no need. Now as a next task, search for the htop. Yum search htop. So this is htop name, and you can install it with the yum command, yum -y install htop. I already have installed, therefore nothing will be done. Fine. After installing the htop, you can run the command to show the running processes. Almost the same results which are comparable to top command. Here is the CPU usage, here is the memory usage, here is the swap usage. 0 out of, okay, and number of total tasks, average load, and uptime. In the bottom lines you can see the running processes. Fine. And you can see the main page. Now we shall use a different command, info htop. You can display the same help with main command also. So this is the option and almost same options. Fine. Let us do something on this side. Press Q to quit it. We want to display the user, display the jobs, display the process owned by a user Imtiaz. htop -u Imtiaz.